At the end of the video lesson, the students should be able to first, identify the types of the set, second, perform the basic operation on set, and lastly, apply in real-life situation. Set theory, a topic in mathematics that deals with the logic involving group of objects that are most of the time have commonalities among them. It is very significant in understanding all branches of mathematics. Set, a well-defined collection of distinct objects. Sets can be denoted by a capital letter. Example, set A is equal to set of even numbers. Set Q is equal to set of primary color. Set D is equal to set of 0, 2, and 5. Element, the objects that make up a set, enclosed by braces and separated by commas. Example, set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is the element of set A. Universal set, a set containing all the existing elements. All the sets are subset of the universal set and usually denoted as E. Example, the universal set is equal to 1, 2, and 3. Set A is equal to 1 and 2. Set B is equal to 3. Set A and B is a subset of the universal set. Order of the set. Describe the number of elements inside a given set. For example, pants, shorts, trousers. The order of the set is equal to 3.
Types of the set. Sets are categorized into different types of depending on their property and characteristics. These and below are some of the fundamental types of sets. Empty set. A set that has no element in it, also called as null set. Finite sets consist of countable numbers of elements and determinate numbers of elements. Example, 2, 4, 6, 3, 10. Infinite set is indeterminate numbers of elements. Example, even numbers.
Proper subset of a set. A set whose elements are found in a larger set. For example, set E is equal to CHAMP while set C is equal to MAP. So set C is a subset of set E. Improper subset of a set is an improper subset of a given set if their elements are equal.
Disjoint set. Two or more sets with no common elements. Example, set A is a vowel and set B is a consonant. Joint set. Two or more sets with at least one common element. Set A is a composite number and B is odd numbers. Equivalent set. Two or more sets with the same number of elements. Example, A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and set B is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Equal set. Two or more sets with the same elements. Example, A is red, blue, yellow and B is friendly colors.
Basic operation on sets. Union of set. Union of two sets is simply the element resulted from combining the two sets. Union is denoted by capital U. Union of set A and B is written as A union of B. Here are some examples by using Venn diagram. Intersection of sets. Intersection of two sets is simply the elements that are common to the two sets. Intersection is denoted by the symbol intersection. Here are some examples by using Venn diagram.
Difference of sets. The difference of two sets is the element resulted when the elements common to the two sets are subtracted from the minuend set. For example, set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Set B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Set A minus B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 11. Set B minus A is equal to 4, 6, 8, 10.
Complement denoted as U prime. Complement of the sets is the elements found in the universal set that is not found in any of subsets of the universal set. For example, set A is 1, 2, 3. Set B is 2, 7, 8. Universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and the U prime is 4, 5, 6.
There are several operations that can be executed to number of sets depending on the data that you need. Like for example, if you want to know what is common to two boys courting a girl, you need to apply the operation of intersection with the traits of each boy as the two sets to be compared.
created using Powtoon.